What's up everyone, Alex from Verus Engineering, and today we have some fun updates regarding the Supra platform, and we thought it would be a fun idea to do a little update video about all of the fun little things that we have going on with the Supra, because we actually have quite a bit going on with this car, and we have some updates to our shop on our website. Things that we feel are noteworthy but aren't noteworthy enough to have their own video, but we still want you to know regardless. So if you want to get up to date on everything that's going on with the Supra and the products that we offer, feel free to stick around. I think this will be a pretty fun video, and hopefully you enjoy it. So as you can see, we have some turbo heat shields here on the table, and yeah, we offer these in two different colors, black and silver, and then we also have a different model as well that's for the 6-port turbo injection for the 2021 and up Mark V Supras. And it has come to our attention that a lot of people actually like to buy the heat shield with our Supra AOS, and because of that, we are now going to be throwing it all into one bundle. So the bundle will include the turbo heat shield, our Supra AOS with the pre-fitted hoses, as well as the resonator delete, which is required to install the AOS, because the resonator delete actually, well, it deletes the resonator to create room for the AOS, and it actually makes the car sound better. Overall, we feel like this is just a great bundle because it's all in the same localized area of the engine bay, and it just looks really good. They are not mutually exclusive, so no, you do not need to use the turbo heat shield to install the AOS. The turbo heat shield does in fact clear up space, but it's not 100% necessary for the AOS, full transparency. But in my opinion, or in our opinion, it's just a good looking kit, and it all looks really good when it goes together. So feel free to check out the links in the description below. We'll have two different listings, one for the 6-port turbo and then one for the 2-port turbo. So if you drive a 2020 Mark V Supra, get the 2-port. If you drive 2021 and up, be sure to get the 6-port turbo. So do your homework on that. We don't want to deal with returns and exchanges and whatnot, and I'm sure you don't either. In other news, we have released the Ventus 1 and Ventus 2 kit for the Supra as standalone products on the website. Many of you have been asking for this, and we are finally going to be rolling out kits for the respective platforms that have, you know, the Ventus build out. So everything that you see on the informative packets that we provide on our website, we are going to be reflecting that in actual kits that you can buy. For those of you who don't know, our Ventus kits are these kits that we put together in such a way that you create a logical pathway for your aero build out. So as many of you know, when you add downforce in certain parts of the car, you might be introducing oversteer or understeer, and what we do with these Ventus kits is we try to configure it in such a way that you're going to have a balanced and safe configuration off the shelf. So our Ventus 1 package includes the dual element diplanes, the rear diffuser, as well as the wind deflectors. And the Ventus 2 package includes everything that Ventus 1 already has, but it completes the underside of the car. So it includes the standard front splitter, the side splitters, and the rear spats to really tie in the whole front part of the package to the rear diffuser. And it just looks really nice. It kind of just rounds it off, and I really like the way it looks, honestly. I'm looking at it right now. It looks pretty sick. And just so you know, if you want to learn more about these Ventus packages, you can go on their respective webpage for each package, and we do have a PDF that you can download, and we give detailed explanations behind the merit of all the different packages that we put together, as well as some data points. So definitely check that out if you want to learn more about this and what it does. All this can't go without saying, yes, when you buy all of these bundles that we just talked about, you will be getting a discounted price. So in typical YouTube fashion, be sure to check out the link in the description below. It's all there. And if you have any more questions, please reach out to us at sales@verus-engineering.com. They will be more than happy to help you. So that is all I have for you today. So let me hear it. What is the next platform that you want me to cover and talk about? We have lots of different cars here, all with different multitudes of projects going on with them. And yeah, let me hear it. What do you want to know about that's going on here at Verus Engineering? I'm Alex with Verus Engineering, and I'll see you on the next one. Or you might see this guy. I'm not really sure, but yeah. Peace.